Gadget lovers, welcome back to my channel, all gadgets. And how you all doing today? Good to have you right back on my channel, and thanks for stopping by. It's been a minute. Just want to use this opportunity first of all to announce my new arrival. Yeah, so we'll have a new addition to the family. That's why I'm looking all this way. Yeah, a few days ago we welcomed our new bundle of joy, and that's a pink jet. You know what it means, a baby girl. Yeah, so on today's episode, just want to show you guys one of the gadget that you need to have as a new mom. Okay, is a pram, popularly known as a baby stroller. So if you're looking out for a very good stroller to get for your newborn baby, then this video is right for you. Just join me to unbox and equally get this pram installed. Okay, so now let's get to the main deal. Baby stroller. This is about 11 kg. It's a very massive tire. Yeah. Okay, we'll have a lot of work to do. But the good thing is I'm really good at installation. I'm good at installing things. I'm sure this is not gonna be a big deal for me. Yeah, the color is really very nice. And here we've got this safety belt. Yeah, it's looking more like it. This is so beautiful. And if you wish to collapse this as well, you can actually do that. Very easy. For me, I really like everything about it. It's very unique, very colorful, and very simple. I like. Guys, and that's it for today's episode of unboxing and installation of this pram. Alright, one thing I actually do love about the pram is the fact that you have access to change the setting in such a way that your baby can actually face you. Okay, just this way. Your baby can actually face you, or you can have it the other way, that your child faces the other way. So either way actually works for you. Yeah, that's a good one. Then secondly, I actually like the color. It's quite iconic, and this pram is very solid. Yeah, I really like it. And talking about the price, it's actually not so pricey. The quality is actually so good for the price. I got this for about 450 RMB. That's China yuan. Okay, I don't know the currency where you are in, but in my country, that's Nigeria, that's about 111,000 naira. That's the conversion rate as of today. Yeah, so it's quite affordable, and I think it's something that can last you for years. And that's it for today's episode, and thanks for stopping by, and see you guys in my next video. One love.